Okay, this is part 2. Again, this is Jesse Little with Mercedes-Benz in Kansas City. We're doing the inside of the new 2020 GLE, the 4th generation of this vehicle to be built in the United States. It now sports two 12.3-inch flat panel displays that are laminated together to give you a flat look with a very strong dash and multi-looks on it. I can come up here and I can change the looks and design into the display, and it's got multi-looks that you can change. And then as you come across into the infotainment center part of the display, again, nice flat panel, and for the first time ever in a Mercedes-Benz, we have touchscreen. So we can just touch, or I can do it on the steering wheel. Back up here on the steering wheel, this sports the new steering wheel that was inspired in the E and the S class with the touchpad on the steering wheel. So lots of different ways of working your infotainment center in this car. So very strong look. The car also sports ambient lighting, and we'll come down to the settings. We'll come to the ambient lighting, color, and I have it set, as you can see, on the red moon. You've got 9 pre-programmed color features to it, or you could set it for any one of 64 individual colors. So this car's got a lot going for it, including, hey Mercedes,
How can I help you?
cancel,
What can I do for you?
cancel. By saying that, you activate our artificial intelligence. This is the new MBUX system. It will learn as you go. It learns your patterns, it learns what you like, it learns where you go, and you can say things like, I want coffee, instead of telling it you need a Starbucks. And she'll know that you're looking for coffee shops. You could say, find French restaurants, and she'll find French restaurants for you. So, well, I need an umbrella today is something else you can say, and she'll know that you're actually asking about the weather. So MBUX, artificial intelligence, natural language software, all new in the 2020 GLE.